Welcome to JH. Today, we'll learn how to request a delay or suggest a different time for a Microsoft Teams meeting. Begin by opening Outlook, using either the desktop application or the web version. Since Teams appointments are integrated with Outlook, head over to your Calendar tab or locate the meeting invite within your inbox. Double-click on the specific event you wish to reschedule. Once the meeting details window appears, you will find options to accept, decline, or propose a new time. Select Propose New Time to suggest a different start and end period. Modify the date and time settings to fit your schedule. After selecting your preferred slot, click on Send Proposal. This action notifies the meeting organizer, who can then choose to approve or deny your request. After you submit the proposal, the organizer will be alerted and can update the meeting if they agree with your suggestion. Once the organizer officially reschedules the event, the revised time will automatically reflect in both your Outlook calendar and your Microsoft Teams schedule.